Hello everyone, welcome to SRBPS online classes. In this video, we will learn about the life of people living in Bihar and West Bengal. Bihar. The capital of Bihar is Patna. Bihar is located to the east of Uttar Pradesh and its capital Patna is situated on the banks of river Ganga. The other important rivers of this state are Gandak, Son and Kosi. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people. They grow rice, wheat, sugarcane, etc. Mango and lychee of this state are quite famous. Bhojpuri, Hindi, Urdu and Maithili are the important languages spoken here. Apart from other major festivals, Chhath Puja is the important festival celebrated here. Sari is the common dress of women, while dhoti kurta is the common dress of man in Bihar. Some other important cities of this state include Bodh Gaya, Muzaffarpur, Darbhanga, Ara and Chhapra. Gautam Buddha is believed to have attained enlightenment under a peepal tree in Bodh Gaya. Also, the ruins of the Nalanda University can still be seen in Nalanda. West Bengal. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. West Bengal lies to the east of Bihar. Kolkata is situated on the banks of river Hooghly. Teesta and Damodar are some other important rivers that flow through the state. Farming is the main occupation of the people. They mainly grow rice, potato, jute, tea, sugarcane, wheat and tobacco. Steel, textiles and jewelry are some of the industries located in this state. Bengali is the main language spoken here. Fish and rice are the staple food of this state. Bengali women wear sari in a special style and men commonly wear dhoti kurta. The Durga Puja and Kali Puja are the major festivals celebrated in West Bengal. Howrah, Siliguri, Asansol and Durgapur are the major cities of West Bengal. The Rabindra Setu and Vidyasagar Setu are the two bridges built across river Hooghly. Also, the Victoria Memorial in Kolkata and Shanti Niketan are of historical importance in West Bengal.